Pull out the fixed door post. Opening the package. Check if there is any problem first. Please contact us for missing or damaged parts. Accessories in package: magnetic door post, adjustable curved track, hardware tool bag. Confirm the length of the curve needed. Record the length of the arc. Then make a mark on the arc track to prepare for the arc. Then step on the arc track according to the mark and bend it into the required arc at the installation position with your hands. You can adjust it by yourself during the process. As long as it's not fixed yet, you can keep adjusting it until it's in the desired state. Before inserting the clips, confirm the top and bottom of the curved track. The two narrow ends should be the fixed ends. Insert the clips at the top of the curved track one by one. Fix the edge clips to provide support for the upper frame of the door. Do not fix the clips at the end position yet. Follow the inclined position to insert the rollers. After inserting the rollers into the track, gradually move the door to the far edge to prepare for fixing the remaining clips. To fix the clips, you need to attach one clip approximately every 30到40厘米. Fix the fixed door post. Align the door edge with the fixed door post and clip it in place from the bottom up. Fix the magnetic door post. Pay attention to the top and bottom of the magnetic door post. Install the handle. Use two white long screws to go through the large hole and the small hole.